EPA is employing innovative and new technologies to really make sure that we can hold polluters to account. Now what you're seeing here is drone flights. Drones are being used in court cases to prosecute those that illegally dump waste in our state. And drone flights, we're doing thousands of hours, but they're only one example. We've got Waste Tracker, the ability to live track the movement of the worst waste across our state to make sure and reduce the incident of illegal dumping. We've got the largest and a growing air quality network, making sure people are getting the information they need to care for their health. So EPA, we're employing technology in our role to make sure that we protect our environment and our communities from the harms caused by pollution and waste.